In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Passwords, Passkeys and Data Services. And finally, select Google Password Manager. Now to edit any password, click on it, enter your screen lock and use Edit button. Then change wherever you want to. Then hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!